Hey guys, what's up? It's Coach B. Michelle, the brand coach and owner of the B. Michelle Branding Agency. So, I want to make this video to talk about protecting the brand for my entrepreneurs and my solopreneurs and what that really consists of, especially in our current climate right now with the coronavirus and the impact that it has had on our economy on a national level and a global level as well. So, as a brand coach, I work with small businesses and helping them develop the foundation of their brand. And we do that through event planning and helping them get in front of their target audience, through print and design, making sure that they look good, that everything is nice and high resolution and the colors are popping. And then also through coaching and consulting, more so working through the internal parts of the brand, figuring out their target audience, the messaging, products and services to possibly offer. But when I meet with my clients, no matter where or how they come to me or what service they actually originally come to me for, I always talk to them about the importance of protecting the brand. And the only way to really protect your business and your brand is through insurance. That's pretty much it. So, when about a year ago, I created what's called the Protect the Brand checklist. And on this Protect the Brand checklist is 4 items: an LLC, life insurance, business insurance, and a trademark. So in this video, I'm going to talk about two of those things, which I'm pretty sure you figured out by now, is life insurance and business insurance, and how they will help you navigate situations like the one we're currently in with the coronavirus or any virus that may happen again later on down the line. So having life insurance is really super important, obvious for obvious reasons. Um, it's the best way to really protect your brand and protect you. And sometimes you are the brand. And especially if you're a solopreneur, like if you're a musician or a comedian, or you're the sole owner in your business, then you are the brand. And the only way to protect that is through having life insurance. And so if you're of the mindset of having generational wealth and leaving a legacy behind, the only way to do that is with insurance and with life insurance specifically. So, but a lot of people always talk about the using it as a death benefit, but I always like to tell people, there's life insurance has so many other facets to it, and a lot of people don't even know that you can take advantage and use some of the benefits while you're still alive. There are policies out there that were, if as a business owner, that if you needed to borrow against it or use money to help grow your business, you could actually have a policy that actually would help you do that. And so it's all about education and being knowledgeable about your options and making sure that you have an agent that is knowledgeable. And I definitely want to say that I'm super blessed to have some awesome agents on our team. We have agents with over 25 plus years of experience in this space, helping our clients and making sure that our clients are protected with life insurance as well as business insurance. But life insurance is really crucial to just because there's so many benefits that come along with it. That, like I said, that you can use even while you're alive. So it's not necessarily all about the death, but also, but at the end of the day, when you do transition, you want to leave your family in a good spot. And life insurance is the best way to be able to do that and making sure that you have the proper amount of coverage, especially with this virus running rampant and just things that may just happen in general. So I think this is the time, honestly, where you get to hit the reset button. So you have to look at, even though the impact that it may have had on your business, if your business has taken a hit, this is the time for you to really get it together. This is the time for you to go back and like, okay, I can prepare and be prepared for the next time, because there will be a next time. We just don't know what it will look like or when it will happen, but there will be a next time. And it's always better to be proactive than reactive. So, other thing I want to talk about is business insurance and the importance of having business insurance as it relates to all the things that have happened through the COVID-19 and the coronavirus, being spread and a lot of events being canceled. So I'm pretty sure all of you have had events in your city and in your state that have been postponed or canceled over the last week or so. Well, I talk to a lot of my clients on restaurants, particularly barbecue, and that happens to be my favorite food. I said God was watching out for me because He knows I love barbecue. So a lot of my clients do vendor events and do fairs and festivals, and so if something happens to where they have to cancel, and you spent money on flights, on food, on product, or whatever it is that you've prepared to go be a part of this festival, you've lost it. And a lot of people have lost a lot of money over the last week due to a lot of events being canceled. The only thing that really honestly would have saved any of these businesses is having business insurance or event insurance. But 9 times out of 10, most people don't get it for some odd reason. I don't know why. But I think this is a time now where you gotta really, nobody wants, this is not a position that we really ever want to be in again. And so once we make it through this, you want to come out victorious on the other side. But the only way to come out victorious on the other side is to prepare while you're going through. So if you do vendor events, if you do fairs and festivals, get business insurance. It will protect you from a loss like this. So all the people that, like with South by Southwest is a pretty popular event that happens in Texas. So all the money that people spend, a lot of people, their whole income comes through this event. So it was a huge loss for them. So had you had business insurance or event insurance, and make sure that was in your policy, these particular items related to events and related to cancellation of anything that you may be a part of, you can use that and file a claim to recoup your money. And so that way it's not it won't be as bad as having spent over $1,000+ to attend an event, and now you're just out of $1,000 and you got a whole bunch of product. And especially as if you're a restaurant or a food truck or any food establishment, now you got a boatload of food that you don't necessarily know what to do with, or you're trying to scramble to figure out, how to sell it, cook it, or whatever you want to do. So having business insurance and having event insurance is the best way to solve that. So today I had a meeting with a client, and they're a barbecue restaurant, so they're actually preparing to do a festival if it goes through. But I have to remind them, I have to say, hey, make sure that you guys get business insurance and get event insurance before you go and participate in this event. That's even if it happens, but you always want to have it just in case. I had one of my barbecue clients actually was supposed to participate in South by Southwest last year, and so they bought a ton of brisket and all the food and all the stuff they needed to prepare to be there for a couple of days to sell food. But when they got there, I guess it was some bad communication, or the whole situation fell through and they weren't able to be a vendor. So now they have over $1,000+ of food that they can't use because they already pretty much blocked out their schedule to be at South by Southwest. And yeah, you can use it as a business write-off, sure, but at the end of the day, it's better to really recoup some of your funds so that way you can use it and put it back in your business. So luckily, they had business insurance. They filed their claim. Not sure how much of it they recoup back, but I'm pretty sure they got probably a good portion of it back from that event. So business insurance and life insurance are meant to help protect you and help you grow your business and make sure that you are here 5 years from down the line, 10 years down the line. And it's also just about leaving a legacy. And like I said, if you're of the mindset of leaving a legacy and creating generational wealth, this is the best way to be able to do it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, that you got some good tips from it. If you have any, feel free to share. If you have questions or you want to leave some comments, you can definitely leave them in the comment section of the video. I'll respond back or answer any questions that you have. Be sure to follow me on social media at Coach B Michelle on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Hit the subscribe button on the YouTube and hit that bell for notifications to see more videos like this. So I'll be putting out some additional content on a variety of topics over the next few months, and definitely keeping you abreast of what's happening with COVID-19 or the Rona, and keep you guys updated as well as it relates to your business. So I'm out. You guys have a great day. And as always, put your best brand forward.